What's up? I'm Larry. Just washed a 1977 Ford truck out here. And you know, you're thinking, it's dark outside, right? What is wrong with me? Is it passion or obsession? It's both. But seriously, it's cooler outside. That's one reason. And I've always wanted to wash this truck really good and see how it turned out. And I think it turned out pretty well. You know, obviously the paint's not perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. So if we stand back and just look now, obviously it's still a little bit wet, so it's gonna look shinier than it actually would in daylight, but gotta say, she is beautiful. I just love this truck, the stance on it and all, that 4x4 look. And now that it's clean, you can really see that brown paint better. Here's some dry spots. See? Looks really good. It looked really dirty. You can see the dirt in it. I think it turned out nice. Wheels cleaned up pretty good too, but I do need to touch them again. They're not perfect. You can still see we got a ring of rust in there and all. So they definitely need touching up again. But all in all, not too bad. The other side was the worst, but this one here, it was dirty too, and again, so you got that ring rust in there. But yeah, or rust ring, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, beautiful truck's got some patina and cleaned up really well. I like that. So yeah, I'm just out here, and I decided to do that. Figure I'd share it with y'all, just see what you think. And like I said, I like washing my vehicles at night, especially in the summertime, because it's cooler. It's a lot more comfortable, and I'm up all hours of the night anyway, so it works perfect for me. But yeah, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If not subscribe, become a member. Link is in the description. And that's all there is for this one. So until next time, see you in the next one.